You think you know dogs? Think again. These furry goofballs are hiding some wild secrets. Fact number 1. Dogs can smell fear. So next time you're creeped out walking at night, guess who knows? Fact number 2. Scientists believe dogs actually feel empathy. Oh, how sweet, or are they just plotting your demise? Dogs have been by our side for centuries, but what if they're not here to help? Are dogs humanity's greatest allies, or our ultimate downfall? Subscribe to find out. And remember, what your dog really thinks might surprise you. Don't worry, humans. Probably.